Good morning, dear students. The separation techniques, distillation and types of distillation, simple distillation and fractional distillation I have already discussed in the last week in the form of the definition, and animated videos were sent on Tuesday. Now today a general discussion on it, that solvent which is obtained from the solution of a soluble salt by distillation, or two miscible liquids which have boiling point difference by 20 degrees centigrade or more, is separated by simple distillation. Right? So in short, when two miscible liquids are there and the difference between their boiling points is more, then simple distillation is the method for the separation. Here is the complete apparatus. This is the round bottom flask, or we can say distillation flask, Bunsen burner, thermometer, right? This is the condenser which makes the vapor cool. This is the receiver or a conical flask. All are adjusted on a stand. Here a sample of saline water. When I say saline water, that means a water taken from the sea, ocean, or salt water. And this is a special water bath, or we can take oil bath also. And this saline water, when heated, it will start giving the vapor. And when the vapor starts coming out, this vapor will start rising from this condenser. This condenser is having two outlets. From one outlet, water is allowed to enter from the tap, and this water will flow in this condenser, and because of that water, tap water, whatever the vapors are coming in the condenser from the flask will get cooled and can be collected as a liquid in the receiver. And after circulating the tap water, when it gets warm, it is flow out into the sink, and thus the miscible liquid which is having lower boiling point out of the mixed two one is first collected into the receiver flask, and one which is having little more boiling point in out of the two will remain then into the round bottom flask, right? So this is the simple distillation. But suppose if we have miscible liquids and their boiling point is very near to each other, then simple distillation method is not appropriate. Then the fractional distillation is to be carried out. Dear students, see the again same apparatus is here, only the change in fractional distillation is there. On the round bottom flask, a fraction column is fixed, and for the receiver we need more than one flask as per the miscible liquids. If 3 liquids are there, we will be in need of 3 receiver flasks. If 4 liquids are mixed, we will be in need of 4 receiver flasks, right? Here the mixable liquids are taken again in a distillation flask where oil bath is given, and when this mixable liquids are heated, then they will start giving the vapors. But here what happens is there are different liquids with very small difference of temperature, boiling point in them. So at a different temperature, one by one they will rise, and in this column where the glass beads are kept, those liquids which are having very high boiling points, they will rise here, and as soon as they come in the contact of this column, they will get condensed and fall back into the distillation, and those who are having little low will start moving through this condenser, and it is collected here. So with the change in the temperature from the thermometer, we can find out that as soon as the liquid will stop falling into the receiver, we'll come to know that now there is a change in the thermometer and another liquid starts vaporizing. So we can change the flask one by one, and at the different boiling point the different liquids can be collected by the help of the fractionating column with the glass base, right? Simple distillation is used, or we can say the application of simple distillation is for the separation of ethanol and water, acetone and water, or just in the previous example I gave about salt water. And fractional distillation is used for the separation of crude oil, or we can say petroleum products, right? For the separation of, because when we get crude oil, it is a mixture of different oils in it, which consist of petrol, kerosene, diesel, naphtha, and this all is to be separated by the fractional distillation, as well as components of air, because different gases are present in air, so that can be also separated by fractional distillation method. Thank you.